train number 70. Today I'm going to show you my 8 custom-made Tomy Trackmaster trains. So here they are, so let's get started. Here we have Paint Spreader Thomas from 2016 Thomas Wentz movie, The Great Ways. See, he's covered in green paint, white paint, and yellow paint. See? This is the original Tomy Trackmaster Thomas I used for my series. Since I got Thomas with the red right in the back of Thomas's bunker off of eBay, well, also here's the back of it. This is a custom-made red right in the back of Thomas's bunker. I just use red paint. Here's the Thomas with the wheel red right in the back of Thomas's bunker I use for my series. Now, Paint Spreader Thomas looks like Thomas from The Great Ways. And he wants well. So if you like Paint Spreader Thomas, please give a thumbs up. Next up is Daisy, the diesel wear car. I just paint the whole body green and I use yellow paint for the stripes. And I also use gray paint for the windows and the roofs. And I also detailed the back of it. It's the lamps by using white paint. And also I use white paint for the bumpers, 1 here and 2 here, along with the red paint for the buffers. And I also print the face. See? She wants well. As you can see, this is the motor Diesel 10 from Tomy Trackmaster Diesel 10. I will show you the body shell of it. Here's the body shell of Diesel 10. I'm sharing this Diesel 10 motor with the custom-made Daisy for Diesel 10. So, if you like my custom-made Daisy, please give a thumbs up. Next up is Trackmaster Talking Diesel from the movie The Great Ways. What I did to Diesel, I used black Sharpie for the buffers from the front and the back. And he wants well, and he can talk. I'm Diesel! So, if you like my custom-made Great Ways Diesel, please give a thumbs up. Next up is Winston. What I did to Winston, I removed from the coupling, from the front and the back. You see, in the TV series of Thomas and Friends, Winston does not have a coupling. And I did it to Skip too. So, I took the coupling from the front and the back, because Skip does not have a coupling. This is the blue version of Tomy Trackmaster Skip. If I get Tomy Trackmaster looking for Powdered Treasure set with Skip with the brown on top, along with Thomas, Sarah, John, and Marion, I can use it for the comparison video to blue Skip and brown Skip. So if you like Winston and Skip, please give a thumbs up. Next up is scrambled eggs Thomas or sticky cheese Thomas. What I did to scrambled egg Thomas or sticky cheese Thomas, I use yellow paint for scrambled eggs from the Werewolf series or sticky cheese from season 11. So if you like my custom-made scrambled eggs Thomas or sticky cheese Thomas, please give a thumbs up. Next up is Gwen, the coffee pot engine. As you may know, I'm still working on my project called Thomas and Friends Adventure Begins, and I'm gonna upload on YouTube on March 3, 2025 for the 10th anniversary of it since 2015. So what I did to Gwen, well, I gave him red wheels, and I used black paint to cover up the middle wheels. Just look closely, as you can see there. I did it from the side and the other side. Gwen wants well with his wheels, his red wheels. Where did I get his red wheels? Well, I got it from Hurricane from the movie Journey Beyond Sordor. I just ordered a second Hurricane off of eBay because he has red wheels. So when the second Hurricane arrived in the mail, I just used the second Hurricane's wheels for this Hurricane, the first one, and I used the first Hurricane's wheels for Gwen the coffee pot engine. So, if you like Gwen with his red wheels, please give a thumbs up. Next up is Hero with his black snowplow. I just used some Trackmaster Thomas's snowplow. I just painted black and I used white paint for the snow on the snowplow. Which snowplow do I use? Well, at the bottom I use the red snowplows who came with Hero or James. I painted black and I used white paint for the snow, so it looks like Hero got his own snowplow. So if you like my snowplow Hero, please give a thumbs up. Well guys, that's it with my 8 custom-made Tomy Trackmaster Thomas trains. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.